Hi, hello, namaskara friends. How are you all? I hope all of you doing good. Welcome to Akash Pro Spoken Kannada class session number 8. This is Siri. Okay. I hope all of you following our Kannada channel and please subscribe our channel and support us and hit like button too. Okay. So friends, what is today topic? Today topic is how to transform pronouns into possessive forms. Okay, so let us learn how to translate pronouns into possessive forms. Let us learn. See, we already learned pronouns I, we, you, he, she, they, right? So today we will learn what is the possessive form of pronouns. Okay, so in Kannada we use nanu for I, nanu for I, and possessive form of I is my. You already know that possessive form of I is my. That is nanna, nanna. In Kannada, nanna. My is nanna. And pronoun we, Kannada word is navu. Here possessive form of we is our. Possessive form of we is our. That is namma in Kannada. Okay. Let's move to next segment, that is second person you. You, we have singular form neenu. You, singular form neenu. That becomes your. Your in English, ninna in Kannada. Ninna in Kannada. Okay. You, plural form. Neevu, you already know this word. Neevu. Nimma in Kannada. Your, nimma. Okay friends, let's move to third person segment. He, she, they. Here again we have two words for he, ivanu and avanu. English, we use his as possessive form. He too, his as possessive form. Same way in Kannada, ivana and avana. These are possessive form of he. Ivana and avana. That is his. Same way, she. Ivalu, avalu. Possessive form words are ivala, avala. Okay. In English, we use it as her. Her. They. This is plural form word of third person. Ivaru, avaru. Here, ivara and avara. These are possessive form of they. Their. They becomes their. Ivara and avara. Okay. Okay. Friends, I will give one quick recap. That is pronoun and possessive form. Pronoun I, nanu. Possessive form my, nanna. We, navu. Our, namma. You, neenu. Your, ninna. Singular form. You, neevu. Your, nimma. This is plural form. This is singular form. This is plural form. Here, this is singular form. This is plural form. Okay. And he, ivanu, avanu. His, ivana, avana. This is singular form. Ivalu, avalu. Her, ivala, avala. This is singular form. Ivaru, avaru. Their, ivara, avara. So, this is plural form. Okay. This is all about possessive forms. Okay. Let us move to some examples. I am giving you few basic examples for these words. Okay. First one, her name is Suma. Her name is Suma. You know word her, avala, hesaru, name, hesaru, Suma. Avala, hesaru, Suma. His elder brother is coming. His elder brother is coming. His means avana. Elder brother, Anna. You can check our previous classes about relations. Elder brother, Anna. Avana, Anna. ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ an action word. ಓಕೆ, ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ಅವರ್ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಅವರ್ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ, ಸನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಗ, ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವರ್ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಮೈ ನನ್ನ, ಫಾದರ್ ತಂದೆ, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ all of you following our Kannada classes and learning new things. This is all about possessive form in Kannada. Please add these words in your daily conversation. I wish you all the best. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.